Pro Agitator tip system was introduced in late 2017 and we have upgraded it time and again. And now in 2021, we are ready to introduce and launch a new version of PATS, that is PATS Vario. As the name suggests, it is a variable frequency or adjustable frequency, which is a clinician's choice whether to operate it at a low frequency, high frequency or a medium frequency. Actually use it for the agitation and activation of all sorts of irrigants which are used during the endodontic procedure. It can be used to remove the calcium hydroxide paste, which sometimes poses a big challenge to when it is completely set. And it can also be used for cleaning the access cavity after the obturation has been completely done. So these are some of the applications of one tip. So the advantage is single tip can perform several functions. This is a Pro Agitator tip. The best part of this PATS Vario is that there is a switch dial here at the base of the handpiece, with which you can adjust the frequency from low to medium and to high frequency. This operates in the range of 0 to 6000 Hz. The low frequency operates at about 2000 Hz. The medium frequency operates at about 4000 Hz and the highest frequency operates at about 6000 Hz. So this gives an advantage for a clinician to use this tip for different applications. As I told you earlier, that coating of the sealer or removal of calcium hydroxide, you need a medium frequency. And when you are actually agitating or activating sodium hypochlorite or a liquid EDTA, then it can be used at a higher frequency. And for only to clean the chamber or only to clean the access cavity to remove the excess sealer, it can be used at a low frequency. So this gives an advantage over the earlier PATS, that a clinician can choose the frequency at what he wants to operate the tip. Now the question is, why do you choose PATS over other agitation devices? Now they are broadly classified into the ultrasonics, the sonics and the air sonics. The PATS operates on air sonics concept. Now ultrasonics are supposed to be the best for activation of irrigants, but it comes with the limitations because the tip is made of metal and it is very difficult for us to take it around the curvature, and it can also alter the normal canal anatomy sometimes. Sonic is again an amplitude based agitation device. The PATS is something in between ultrasonics and sonics, which gives us the efficiency of the ultrasonics and safety of sonics. So now with PATS Vario, we have 3 different type of tips, which are ISO sized: 2003, 2503 and 3003, which are suitable to all type of canal anatomy. So here we introduce the PATS Vario, and stay tuned for more innovations and innovative products. Thank you.